Arizona and a chicken chase. Yep, that's right. We're chasing a chicken because it's in a friend's backyard. So this is just going to be a random video. Oh, it's Monica, by the way. It's Saturday.
We lost the chicken.
Bark, bark, bark! I see you. I see you, girl. I see you. What if this thing comes and gets me? Zoe, go get it. Don't be afraid. Just jump in there. Taylor, get it. Hit it with a stick.
Yeah.
Ah! It's coming. It's coming, Zoe. It's coming. Arizona. You got me some Arizona? Some. You guys know what? You can send me some Arizona stuff. I would love you. Look at it. Guys, you scared it. I was gonna make them look at it. Guys, chase it, chase it. Oh, guys, you cornered it for a second. Zoe, touch it. Whew. This thing's scary. It's scary. It's gonna get me.
Can we go back inside now? Yeah.
Alright, we're going in. Bye.